Welcome to English Listening Practice. In today's video, you will hear a story called Pip's Adventure to Alaska. This story is great for students at the A1 and A2 levels. You will listen to the story 2 times. The first time, just focus on listening without reading. Try to understand the main ideas of the story. The second time, you will hear the story again, but this time with the English text on the screen. This will help you connect the words you hear with the words you see. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Just relax and enjoy the story. Are you ready? Let's begin with Pip's Adventure to Alaska. Once upon a time, there was a little penguin named Pip. Pip lived in a big cold place called the South Pole. He loved his home, but he was very curious about the world. Pip dreamed of seeing new places and meeting new friends. One day, Pip decided to go on an adventure. He wanted to visit Alaska, a place he heard was full of beautiful nature and friendly animals. Pip packed his small bag with fish, his favorite food, and set off on his journey. Pip traveled by boat. The sea was cold and the waves were high. Sometimes Pip felt scared, but he kept going. After many days, Pip saw land. It was Alaska. The land was green and full of trees. Pip was excited. In Alaska, Pip met a friendly bear named Ben. Ben loved honey and was very strong. They became good friends. Ben showed Pip the forests and the mountains. They saw tall trees and big rivers. Pip was happy to explore with Ben. One day, Pip and Ben decided to visit a big mountain. The mountain was high and covered with snow. They started to climb. It was hard work. Pip slipped on the ice, but Ben helped him. Together, they reached the top. The view was amazing. They could see all of Alaska. Pip felt proud and joyful. While they were at the top, they heard a cry. A little fox was stuck on a ledge. Pip and Ben wanted to help. They worked together to rescue the fox. The fox was very grateful. Her name was Fia. Now, Pip, Ben, and Fia were all friends. After many days in Alaska, Pip missed his home. He wanted to go back to the South Pole. Ben and Fia said goodbye and gave Pip some honey and berries as gifts. Pip thanked them and started his journey home. The trip back was easier. Pip thought about all the friends he made and the things he saw. When he reached the South Pole, his family was happy to see him. Pip shared his stories with everyone. He told them about Alaska, the forests, the mountains, and his new friends. Pip learned a lot from his adventure. He learned that traveling is fun and that helping others is important. He was happy to be home but knew he would always remember his time in Alaska. From that day, Pip continued to dream about new adventures. He knew the world was big and full of wonderful places to explore. Now, let's listen to the story again, but this time with the text on the screen. If you need a translation, you can turn on Subtitles and select the option to have them auto-translated into your language. Are you ready? Let's listen to Pip's Adventure to Alaska one more time. Once upon a time, there was a little penguin named Pip. Pip lived in a big cold place called the South Pole. He loved his home, but he was very curious about the world. Pip dreamed of seeing new places and meeting new friends. One day, Pip decided to go on an adventure. He wanted to visit Alaska, a place he heard was full of beautiful nature and friendly animals. Pip packed his small bag with fish, his favorite food, and set off on his journey. Pip traveled by boat. The sea was cold and the waves were high. Sometimes Pip felt scared, but he kept going. After many days, Pip saw land. It was Alaska. The land was green and full of trees. Pip was excited. In Alaska, Pip met a friendly bear named Ben. Ben loved honey and was very strong. They became good friends. Ben showed Pip the forests and the mountains. They saw tall trees and big rivers. Pip was happy to explore with Ben. One day, Pip and Ben decided to visit a big mountain. The mountain was high and covered with snow. They started to climb. It was hard work. Pip slipped on the ice, but Ben helped him. Together, they reached the top. The view was amazing. They could see all of Alaska. Pip felt proud and joyful. While they were at the top, they heard a cry. A little fox was stuck on a ledge. Pip and Ben wanted to help. They worked together to rescue the fox. The fox was very grateful. Her name was Fia. Now, Pip, Ben, and Fia were all friends. After many days in Alaska, Pip missed his home. He wanted to go back to the South Pole. Ben and Fia said goodbye and gave Pip some honey and berries as gifts. Pip thanked them and started his journey home. The trip back was easier. Pip thought about all the friends he made and the things he saw. When he reached the South Pole, his family was happy to see him. Pip shared his stories with everyone. He told them about Alaska, the forests, the mountains, and his new friends. Pip learned a lot from his adventure. He learned that traveling is fun and that helping others is important. He was happy to be home but knew he would always remember his time in Alaska. From that day, Pip continued to dream about new adventures. He knew the world was big and full of wonderful places to explore. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed the story and found it helpful for practicing your English. Keep practicing and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.